cleaning a shower sump here. So this one is located right by the shower and tub and the sink in the aft cabin. Well, they pick up a lot of film from the soap residue and of course hair and such. And they come with a clear lid, and you take that off with the Phillips screwdriver. And then we've pre-soaped this. And it's good to have an old toothbrush. And you can see the soap builds up around the float, and it also builds up along the bottom of your hair strainer. Two different models generally in the shower sumps. One has a mesh that goes around the pump like this, and others like this have the mesh in a tube. So when you're ready, you turn on your hot water, not a huge amount, and come back and you can see the water coming in. You can see the pump engages. So generally speaking, we're using our brush to clear off all of the soap. Now there are three main spots that we need to clean. One is the bottom of the pump, which is where the water goes in. The other is around the float switch. Again, water goes in the float switch and lifts the float. So if water can't get into the bottom of this float switch, then the float won't lift inside here and it won't engage your pump. The other is the bottom side of your filter area. Now, if this is built up with hair, you'll need to take it off, and they do just lift out of the way. They're fairly easy to move out. And if you've got the one that's goes around your pump, it just literally pick it up and lift it out both sides. And sometimes you can just spin these two. That way you can get the film off them. There's a bit of hair. That's where pigtails. When we're cleaning, I use straight hot water. Just helps put things into solution really, really well. And that's it. You place your lid back on. Line it up. I always leave these a bit loose until I get them all in. And that way I can line up the holes properly. So we've got our intake from the shower, our intake from the sink, and then the discharge coming out of the pump. This is a 1,000 gallon per hour system because it's coming from a shower that has a tub. So a tub can push a lot of water in when you've got it full and open the drain. So that's why this one is 1,000 gallon per hour. Many boats, this is only a 750 or 500 one. That's it. It's nice and clean. Good for a few months of regular use.